Yo, good morning, guys. How we doing?
Good morning.
Paul and I were just listening to a conversation with Dave and his wife. He was really excited about some banana bread.
Very excited.
Very excited.
Morning, Albu. Morning, Ben. I'm not going to say hi to you, Dave. Morning, Martin. Morning, Fletcher. So what are we thinking today, guys? Holy rips. Holy rips for the last hour.
Sorry, I'm just opening the stream. What am I thinking?
I heard my voice there for a minute.
Yeah, sorry. Honestly, I'm thinking that Sunday night the Ravens have no chance.
Oh, you're already on to the football weekend?
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. I don't know. Probably correct down into 6. I don't know. If we go correct into 560, I just don't have a trade, so I'm just gonna wait.
I'm at a loss right now. I need Fletcher, you think people are going to marry the wrong idea today? It's possible. I mean, it is the NQ. Dave, well, really regretting that, cutting that long.
Oh, me too. I was in at 355.
Chad, I was long from 335 this morning and cut it.
I have a good excuse for why I cut it, though. I was testing this Apex Wealth Chart platform. So I wanted to test, that was my first trade. I wanted to test flattening and everything else. That's my excuse, and I'm going with it. I will say, what I put on the trading plans is that I was a little confused because the daily and the 4 hour showed negative bias or negative down. They've got some things. But the 1 hour I said looked promising. It indicates an upside draw, opposite draw. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I'm reading it wrong. Nope, yeah, I thought we could see some upside on a shorter time frame. I don't know. I don't know what it's going to do. How about that?
All right, good analysis.
What the hell? I have no idea what I'm doing.
I really don't have anything, guys, until 7 up here at 750. I mean, I have a level here at 640 to 660, but I'm not married to it. So, I would think more upside. Albu, no, Nims had to take the day off. Morning, Kev.
Hey, Kev,
Welcome. I'm gonna be patient today after watching this for the last hour.
Oh, you'd say after yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I thought he was gonna
guys.
say after yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was rough for me. I had a rookie day, 100%. I made every mistake in the book and tilted and was clicking buttons, Dave.
Oh, that's never good.
I was 4 points away from passing an eval twice and blew the eval.
Well,
So-
my new key level on the NQ is
He's still going.
21,500.
Bro, we haven't even opened yet.
I know, this is wild. Yeah, Kev, I'm gonna do a journal entry on it. I'm gonna talk about what happened and what I was feeling and what was going on. I'm not gonna hide the fact that I screwed up royally. Holy cow, guys! Look at these rips. I mean,
805's in the cards, brother.
It makes you feel better from yesterday. I should have had a banger of a day yesterday, and I got completely scammed out of it.
All because of that technical glitch.
The first one was the minor error. I still don't know what that error message is. I tried Googling, and if I get it again, I'm going to screenshot it, send it to Motorway, and be like, what am I doing wrong? Because it's the third time it's happened where I'll try to mark it in, and it'll throw me an error message that says minor error. And then yesterday's was different because it placed a limit 200 points below price. So I had to go hunting around for that, completely missed the trade I wanted. And then the second trade was great trade. I just set it to break even, tagged me out, break even to the tick, and then ripped the target. And I had one good trade after that that hit, and then I had 2 losses, and I was like, I'm done. I'm over it.
You put all your bad luck in there. Go play the lottery after that.
honestly,
Ah,
doing a
I
good job
went to
walking
more like
away.
parlays.
Yeah, seriously. I'd have gotten so tilted.
Oh, I was tilted yesterday.
Too-
There it
too
is.
blown. Ah,
Feel that.
Kev says the TikTok says open down, AM up, mid AM down, lunch up. Oh no. Hey Paul, Ben's asking you if you're back on NQ.
Ben, we don't talk about that.
Markets are open, guys.
I
Come on down.
wow. Okay. I just had an incredible amount of lag. I went in short and I got paid.
On wealth charts.
Late. And what did I get paid? I think I got paid to my stop. Let's see what that was. Ugh.
Is this wealth charts?
Yes, 10 points. I didn't get a chance to move my. And that should have been a lot more open stop. Oh, I got a lot of.
All right,
Wait,
come
I
back
see
to
that.
560, please. Come back to
Where does this
560.
money come from?
Well, I got a quick 10 points, but I was looking for more.
Oh, it's from yesterday. I see.
Oh, that's so bad.
Morning, Mr. Fox. Kev, you're waiting till 10 a.m.
Wait, so what's this TikTok thing? Because I see this. I see Kev say this all the time. What is there like a TikTok influencer he's following?
No. It's there's this theory that the market moves in time periods.
Oh.
I don't know where he picked it up from. I know he's told me before, but I can't remember where he said he picked it up from. But
Yeah.
historically, it holds up.
Why do you say TikTok though? That makes me think like the app.
Clock. TikTok clock.
Clock.
Gotcha.
It's not from China.
TikTok's
Yeah, I
in
thought-
trouble.
I thought
TikTok's
he-
in trouble right now.
I thought that's how desperate we were today. That we are just going off some random TikTok influencer.
No.
saying how everything went down.
Hey, that could be me. Come on, Paul. Wait a minute. That could be me.
Yeah, you should get on TikTok, Dave. You got 2 more days.
All right, let's see what happens here at 560.
Well, that's over. That's yesterday's high, I think, right?
We did get into 560. I don't really know. I don't even know what I want to see here to participate.
Look, I
guess
caught a
some,
falling
really
knife.
big sell orders trying to smack the bid and no movement below.
I think
We just left so much low volume behind. I find it difficult to think we're not going to go revisit that. And we are still volatile off the open.
Yeah.
What I was saying before, we're already over 70 points of range on RTH in less than 3 minutes.
Yeah. I caught that falling knife, and I would have been for a lot more of this bracket stuff. And the lag would have.
They's already smacking the buttons.
Oh, one trade.
Oh, okay.
But I am up $420.
Nice.
Am I up 880 or no 850? I'm up on the session. Should be up about I don't know, 5-6 grand.
Oh my gosh, yes.
I should be up 250.
250K.
250 beans.
Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh, what a parlay! If that had hit, that'd have been legendary.
Dave,
Yeah,
I was tweaking
20
last
leg,
night.
a 20 leg parlay.
I was
And
tweaking
you
last night.
And you hit 17 of them. With
And the three that
just
didn't hit were one-score games.
Oh my god,
Like, that's what gets me, is that they were that close.
it's amazing.
All right, let's see what happens here.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, I
wanting
see
this-
a large seller coming into the zone. See if they find anything lower or not. Delta profile shows like a nice tail of absorption so far.
Yeah, look at that. If this holds, ooh. Well,
Oh,
honestly,
giant market sell.
if it bounces down to 500, it wouldn't be disappointing. Let's see what.
Come
it
on
does.
back down to 400, please.
Right.
Cleared that out. Wow, that was huge. What was that? 900? Jesus.
Oh look, it's doing what it does. These nasty.
Yeah, it does.
I want to participate, but it's so early and so volatile still. I don't think I should.
Decided to vacuum the basement.
Nice.
Oh gosh, that absorbed a lot.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna try it.
Ooh.
I'll take the loss if it wants to nuke.
I don't know. I'm gonna let this candle close.
I don't hate it.
I am on that bus. I'm not giving. I didn't give it a lot to breathe. Basically, it's that wick of our previous candle. I'm giving it to
Because
breathe.
it would help if I pulled the charts over here.
Oh, were you not showing charts?
Oh no, I was.
Boy, I should have went in 2 on that one. Okay, I got in at 60, just so you know.
Nice.
I'm
We
gonna
have buyers showing up in this zone, which is good. That's what I want to see.
see.
I just
Right.
also still see a lot of orders below. Like,
Yeah, I know.
I'm also on M&Q just for reference, so what I'm seeing might be a little bit different order flow wise.
I'm gonna go break even. We're up 20.
Nice.
20 points.
Good stuff.
All right, I'm out.
Good stuff,
Where's
boys.
the flatten button? Where's the flatten button? I'm holding on to it. Screw this.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Giant divergence down to lows of 50 here. 30 points later. All right, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.
All right.
This might come back. I'm kidding.
Thanks, Mr. Fox. Yeah, it feels good to be
All right, I'm out.
trading somewhat well again, seeing things.
God, I got out just in time.
Seeing things a little bit more clearly. Yesterday, I was just, oh my goodness, Dave.
Listen, I can relate, except that was a 400-point trade or $400 trade. 400 points we did.
Oh, what was that
But
for
I
me?
was so relaxed on the YM yesterday. It was crazy.
That's what everybody says. Everybody says it's nice and calming.
I mean, there was no drain on mental capital like the NQ does to me. Now that's my personality makeup. Other people be like, oh no, the NQ's fine, not a problem. But for me, and it was a noticeable difference. Let me put it that way.
I don't know that anybody right now is like the NQ is fine. All right. All
Plus,
right.
we both got out beautifully on that.
Yeah, I mean, what do you call this? A really big 5-minute order block where there's one red candle sandwiched.
Yep. I'm almost thinking about hitting them short right now.
What did I make on that?
I made 20 points.
I made 470.
Yeah, that was 20 points. Well, just so you know, I went short at 551. And I'm break even stock. Break even. Took me out. Hey, look, it never had a drawdown, so I was like, hey, go break even, see what happens. I made like $40 on that.
All right. Come on back down. Come on back down.
Oh, this sucker is.
I like this.
See?
I like this
I had
500
people
area.
stop. I know I should be playing the bounce instead of the where it's going. That's where I get screwed up on it too a lot.
What? NG is down almost 7%, Martin. Holy. Nat gas is volatile from what I've heard. I've heard it's wild.
My brother-in-law used to be president of a natural gas company, and he said trading that, they call it the Widowmaker for a reason. It's just brutal.
I wonder why it's that volatile, though. Is it just not traded like that?
Weather. Big time weather. There's one reason. I don't know what the other ones are. I'd have to talk to him about it. But he had a team, and it was a solid team that did the hedging for him, and he was very thankful for that. Came up and popped me out, break even on my short.
Yep. Good old NQ.
As it wants to do,
that happened to me about 90 times yesterday.
I mean, I was in at 550. That'd have been a nice little trade there. But here it comes back up.
Okay.
Well, I got close to 500.
Yeah, I know. I don't know.
Hey, Nim.
What's up, Nims? No worries, Nims.
Okay. What we got left on this?
Chat, how we doing today? Are we red? Are we green?
Settle for another 5 minutes or so.
I did talk to Sanders. Was it yesterday or the day prior, Dave?
Yep, I've PM'd him. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And I PM'd Donna. Donna's doing pretty well too. So. But,
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
PM Sanders. He said work's picking up. Going crazy. So that's good. I'm glad.
How many trades is DJP taking? 2, I think. Nims?
2. I'm up. Give me a second. 684, 685. Less is more. I don't know how you guys do that, but less is more apparently.
Yeah. Yes. 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 I needed to tell myself that yesterday. Doesn't happen often for me, Dave, but man, I was in it yesterday.
I was kind of shocked to see when I read that, what you posted. I was like, what?
Yeah, because it doesn't happen to me, but it did yesterday. I definitely fell victim to the old, thanks, G-Graph. Good morning. I definitely fell victim to the whole, I'm angry. This thing has wicked me out break even 5 million times. I'm going to keep going.
I'm going to show it. I'm going to show it who's boss.
Can I lower down the music? Is the music loud? Is that better? Let me know. DJ, you like short 550?
Well, I was early just for a quick snipe, and it took me out break even because I didn't give it because I went break even after I got in, about 10 points of profit, which was too quick for this wickedness. But don't like it now. I don't like shorts now right now, unless they're like you're gonna get 10 points
says
off.
Dave after it smacks almost 30 points off the 550.
I swear. This is ridiculous. Okay, you know what? Maybe I will enjoy.
Oh
This is
my
so crazy.
goodness.
This is crazy.
I don't like shorts. Yoink.
Hello there.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think it does need to clean up 500.
I do too. I really still do that, and bounce off would be perfect. That's what I have as my key level now. Is 500.
I mean, rejections of retests of 560. I like. Holds above 560. I like the longs up into 750, 800.
Oh,
But I'm not going to be taking any shorts today. Not after what we saw pre-market.
just playing around right now. Tell me.
I'll let the shorts eat for a little bit and wait till I see some support step in and then probably pop the long. And if it never happens, then my day's done and I'm up, well, let's see.
Here we go.
Up 1,300 on the day.
E-level. Here we go. You know, my therapist said I suffer from paranoia. Well, didn't really say that, but I knew that's what he was thinking. Seriously? No reaction? That's a good one. The dad jokes. The dad jokes. All right, so we finally cleaned out some of that 500 volume. There's still some volumes resting down here just below 480. No, G-Graph. My P&L is I do need to get one of those. Like a little stream. The only problem with me showing right now, the account info window box on Quant Tower is so large that you'll see like account balances and everything. I guess this one really doesn't matter because this is my MFFU eval.
I have returned.
I am long at 23. Break even stop. It'll come down and get me, I'm sure.
I don't know. I like it. It held up where it needed to. You just want to watch 560, I think.
Yep.
You guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Just checking.
Yeah, G-Graph, I'm gonna look for some sort of some sort of tracker that I can put on OBS to show my P&L total without having to show my entire account creds.
Okay, this
There's a
It's
lot of
going
size
to
getting thrown
hell.
around.
Oh, I'm up 30 points on this. I wonder if I want to flatten this.
But I can pull it I can pull over this briefly, I guess.
What do you think, Chad? Do I flatten this sucker? Or do I let it ride?
I think if you're asking chat, I think we know the answer.
Flatten it or let it ride? Let it ride. Yeah.
I would say let it ride. There's still a lot of liquidity higher that it left behind.
Where are you long from?
25. 525. I mean, I had 30 points at one point.
Absolutely think that gets retraded. Personally, we'll see.
Goes back down to it. Yeah.
I know if I was in that trade, we'd already be at 25.
You know what?
Albu says more size, Dave. Throw on more
Yeah,
contracts.
I might just do that. I'm trying to yellow this count. All right. Well, I got out for 27 points. I'm up 1,100 right now. 1106.
There's the pullback.
Yes. Thank you, Palm. Thank you.
I do what I can. I'm curious now to see if we actually trade it.
If we do, I might jump back in.
30s. I want to say we do. This looks like we trade a little lower.
You know what, Elbu? I'm with you now. I think we're gonna go up this ante here.
What? Up what ante? What are we slinging size today, Dave?
Yeah, I
Not
think
yet,
he's on
but-
the wealth charts eval though, so it's funny money.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna see if we can get this done in a day. If not, I mean, I should just keep doing what I'm doing. I'm already up 1,100. If I can keep doing this.
Wes, do you have a big block up at 700 on the NQ?
No. Mine's sitting at 750.
My
Okay.
gosh, what a great call, Palm. What a great call.
I try.
Why is
You
your
saved
motive
me.
wave acting a fool?
No, I'm just on MNQ and I have a large block at 700. I'm just curious about how like the book is split between the two. That's all.
Yeah, 750 to 800. There's blocks stacked.
Yeah, makes me I probably will just get rid of the depth of market if I'm trading MNQ, because I was trading the like NQ and then cross trading it, but I think that's why I had that issue with the whole like minor error thing. I was thinking about it yesterday. I never got that error before I started doing the cross trading from like charting NQ, but it trades over to MNQ. So I'm wondering if that was the issue, which still shouldn't be an issue. I mean, if Motive Wave has the option to cross trade, it should work, but just troubleshooting.
Morning, Phoenix.
Hey, Phoenix, how you doing? Yeah, Fletcher says he.
Hey, Phoenix, how you doing?
Hey, put it there, brother.
Hey,
Hey,
Phoenix, how you
Phoenix.
doing? Man. Quack.
So far, seeing a little bit of absorption. MNQ Delta is at 1600, but we are over 100 points below the open.
The fix.
Kinda interesting. I'm gonna wait for this to settle down though. Even though we're in one of my zones and I'm really like itching to take a trade, I just don't see anything that makes sense risk-wise because we're still flying around.
The VIX is down.
There it
Really?
is. Phoenix got it. How is the VIX down? Did
Yeah,
the
it's
VIX
15
totally
down.
did the VIX totally ignore this 300-point pump?
Apparently.
Crazy, but it is.
I mean, it is Freak the VIX Friday, so you know.
Yeah. Hey, see you later, Phoenix. Hey.
Enjoy your
See you
weekend, Phoenix.
Have a good one.
All right. Was kind of hoping for a bigger pullback here. I mean, we never even got
Oh,
the
Monk,
view
I
up.
just saw that. Let it ride. Shoot, I should. Well, Palm saved me on that one, Monk.
Mason went into his exam in uni yesterday, and apparently
Yeah.
the either the department or his professor did not notice that all the answers were hidden in the back of the exam book.
Let's go.
Love that.
30 minutes into the exam, they canceled the exam because somebody, I would assume somebody caught on. And
Who said? Who?
Yeah, somebody
People like
snitched.
that say that. Ah.
he was pretty upset about it.
To be fair, they
Those
would
are-
have found out. They would have known, but it's funny.
I told him
I
I
had
should
that
give
happen
everybody
once.
A's for that. That never happened to me.
Well, I'm not gonna say there were files in our fraternity house.
Careful what you say here, Dave. Could be incriminating.
In our
I think
fraternity
the statute of
house.
limitations is out.
Yeah, probably. The closest I had to that wasn't like it wasn't the entire exam copy in the back of it with the correct answers. It was a few questions, I guess, that had been put in late or like edited into the exam later than the other questions that still had their correct answers filled in. So it was just filled in for me automatically.
Nice.
But of course, somebody snitched.
Martin, they didn't give a reason for denying us an affiliate. Their affiliate program's kind of weak, though.
Ooh.
As well. It's not like, I think.
Sorry.
I want to say like you get like a $3 off there or $4 off their the price of their evals, I think is what it is. It's not a lot.
Is this a short the rally moment?
Almost did the opposite.
I mean, if we get back above 560 and are holding above, I'm going to be long.
Yeah, I almost got long there.
I'm going to wait to see if it wants to wick and come back a little bit.
And look at the 15 minute. That's just
we did trade the prior high like by 2 points and then bounced it. That is interesting.
I'm gonna wait. Now that I missed that.
That's a big
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Kind of in no man's land right now.
We're sitting on my level, so we've traded both sides multiple times at this point. I don't really have a good read.
Glad I did not take the 560 long there.
Yo, what if we run all of this back?
I mean,
that'd be sad.
It would be.
The only thing that's scaring me about hopping on any kind of long is there's still a lot of blocks down here below 500 too. There's still some volume there that it left behind on the first push.
Slappy.
Well, an NQ chart real quick just to see where these are, because I'm very positive that what I'm seeing on MNQ does not correlate.
Yeah, DJ, MFFU doesn't have promotions, but neither does Top Step.
Yeah, last Top Step promotion was like last July or something.
Yeah, Michael got mad one time on stream because everybody was, hey, when's the free resets, blah, 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 when they used to do that. And he's like, that's it. We're done. We're not doing that anymore.
Yep. Got fed up with it. I mean, that's what they get, though, for making their, like, they were giving them out, like, candy for like a month and a half, 2 months. It was like every day they're like, all right, here's the reset code. So they just turned it into like a coupon ticket.
They got the behavior that they were training people for, rewarding people
yeah,
for.
100%. So. Like they did it to themselves.
Yep.
Show me how I'm rewarded and I'll show you how I'll behave.
I would kind of like it to sweep lower. I'm not going to lie, but
I'm not going to lie either, but man, I'm not touching this. All right, Kevin, he's got orders to go long. Micros or minis? That'll tell me how the confidence level.
Yeah,
micros or minis. Micros or minis, he says.
Because if he's
350.
Long on the ES. What the heck just happened? There we go.
I don't know what to think.
Right now, nothing. It's just.
I was right about the short the pop from 560.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Would have been cool if I took it.
I'm gonna try it.
Chopping broccoli. I wouldn't. Are you gonna try the long now?
Yep.
Hey Fletcher, have a good one.
Fletcher.
Man. Who's Detroit play?
Who does Detroit play?
Commanders.
The Commanders.
Commanders, yeah.
That boy, Jaden Daniels.
Yeah, but they still should handle business, I would think.
Yeah, I assume they're the favorites by a lot. Detroit's like negative 400 right now on the odds.
Wow. What are the Chiefs? Because it's got to be closer than that.
Something
they're not
similar
playing
to that.
bad. Oh, it is?
Yeah, they're very heavily favored.
only because of their
I'll tell you
defense
exactly.
right now. Plus, it's supposed to be cold. Here tomorrow.
Do the Chiefs have an open stadium?
Oh yeah, Arrowhead. Yeah, beautiful.
It's open?
I was at the game when they set the record for the loudest stadium. My ears
That's
rang
awesome.
for a week, and then the following week
That's
I went to
sick.
an AC/DC concert. I couldn't hear for a while.
I don't like this anymore. That rejected 550
Damn.
too cleanly.
But I tell you what, it was loud in that stadium that day. I think it was a Monday night game or something.
I'll just take the
My
stop
women's
out
Australian tennis open parlay has been voided. Unbelievable.
here. Wait, what?
My women's Australian Opens tennis parlay has been voided.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna get
Yeah,
stopped
Wes,
out
this is
here.
Chop Zone. This thing,
I know.
I like this. This is not a good place to be.
It's okay. If I take a stop
Let's look
out, I
at it.
take a stop out.
See what the next. I mean, the hour is going to come up here in another minute, 2 minutes. Let's see
Oh,
what it
I
does.
got stopped out. It doesn't matter.
The Chiefs are negative 455 against the Texans. The Lions are negative 470 against the Commanders. Eagles are negative 278 against the Rams, and the Bills and Ravens are dead even.
Later, Fletcher.
They're
Very
playing in
concerning
Buffalo,
to me.
aren't they?
Yeah, they are playing at home, so I'm leaning towards the Bills just because I love the Bills, and they are playing at home. I was telling Wesley that last night. The Ravens don't want it.
Yeah.
They're not ready.
Like I said last night, awfully confident in a team that's never won a Super Bowl.
They're not ready for the smackdown.
I'm not even
Oh, man,
confident in the Lions that
The
much.
Lions. Yeah. Oh,
Oof.
puking. Oh my god, what a call. I was right about that short. Unbelievable.
Dude, you're on. I almost took a short there, but I was like, nah, there's 1 minute left to get to the top of the hour. I can't do it. Plus, it's as Wes knows, and
Kev's
and
long
pays a
is
lot of
sitting at
attention to.
59.93. You're looking for a pullback all the way below 6K, Kev? Holy.
21 in Q, 21 minis, and 21 255. Well, heck yeah. Yeah, see, that just is scraping that 15-minute fair value cap. Bouncing right off of it. See what the next arrow. Might have been manipulation down.
Fletcher already left the chat, Dave.
Yeah, I know, right? Give me a sign of life here.
I'd like us to try to trade below 500 again.
I don't know if we
kinda
get
looks
there.
like the whole bounce we're gonna get, yeah.
I went long. Oh, it already took me out. I couldn't move my stop up soon enough. I take profit. Dang it. I
How
was
wide's
long
your
there.
stop?
Not wide enough. I'm trying to figure it out still.
I mean, we're
What should I get
flying
there?
right now, dude. We just did
Ah,
40
that was
points in like
such a
30
good-
seconds.
Yeah, that was such a good
I
long. That
know.
was it's a 20-point stop. I gotta lay that out.
Oh, yeah,
longer.
that's wide enough.
Do I
For the
try it
take
again?
profit.
This is strong recovery.
Oh, I had such a good long there. Up 1,500. Oh, God, that was
Dave, you're gonna have a heart attack in that wooden chair, brother.
His reaction right now is how I felt last night.
I mean, I'm trying to figure this wealth charts out. This is first day trading it, and I just didn't move the bracket up. Especially with NQ the way it's been lately. You should take your take profit bracket just and throw it away. Just have a stop loss in.
I agree. Break evens. Oh, wait, you said take profit. Never mind. My bad.
Yeah. Just take that take profit away.
I hate break evens so much. They've caused me nothing but pain.
Yeah. That's why I like the YM so much better, because
Let's try
give
it
it room to
again.
breathe. It's $5 a contract per point. Man, it was relaxing yesterday.
Go trade YM again right now, then. What are you doing messing around
Well,
with NQ?
Because I can. What's the YM doing? I haven't even looked at it.
Because
'cause
NQ's
NQ
crap, right?
Yeah. Well, and if I'm YOLO and
Oh, yeah, I forgot you're on eval. My bad. Never mind.
Yeah.
Honestly, size up. Triple that size. What are we doing?
I
Yeah.
should have. I know, right? Especially now I got room to play.
How much do you need to pass?
It's a 50K account, so 3K.
Gotcha.
I'm up 15.
Is this another short potential right here? It's gonna be another short.
That was such. That entry, I think, had 0 drawdown too. It was beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful.
I was right. I didn't take it though.
Oh, I see. Sneaky, sneaky. Buyers are really trying to hold us up here, but they're not getting much. Still holding below 40. I think he's purposely on mute.
Who's that? Me?
Oh, me?
No, Wes.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Oh, that's
Stopped out again.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm now down $150 on this session. Jeez. All right, I'm done with that level at
Yeah, look at
540
that.
to 560.
yeah.
I'm
that's
not going
it's
to do it anymore.
Chop zone. Chop
It
zone,
is
bro.
just, dude, this
I always
NQ
have it,
pisses me off. There's just no follow through sometimes. And it's like a 40-point chopping zone. So it's like, well, if you're on a prop account, you're done.
Was having to give some information for the Club Med vacation I won at a golf tournament over the summer. So
Nice.
yeah.
The place I go for my sim golfing is doing like a scramble tournament on weekends.
Nice.
It looks really fun, but I just like, I'm not, I can't play.
Hey,
I literally don't even have a putter yet, so.
I like the I like what you got for the used clothes, man. I think those are going to treat you well.
Yeah, for now. I mean, I just need something to hit with. I don't need anything like decent. I just need a club. So that was the thought
Dude, the
process.
NQ is really pissing me off these days. I am not going to lie. Look at this.
Yeah,
Brother.
man.
Come to the YM. I'm telling you.
Honestly,
Dude.
it's not a bad idea.
Listen.
One little sweep back down to take me out and then go run? Like, get out of
but
here.
it's hitting that key level again. Listen, I've got my New Balance leather white sneakers on order. I used to have a pair, but I mowed the lawn in them like everybody does. So
classic.
I never tell you the story. Oh my gosh. I think I have. It was a great prank. So if you get enough miles during the year on United, there's a level
Whoa.
above. Oh, look at this.
What the hell? No news. That was just
It's a straight up.
Chat, you guys saw that? You saw that? You saw what just happened to me? That was all day yesterday.
He's gonna start throwing stuff.
Dude. It's so frustrating.
No, dude, I get it.
It is so frustrating, dude. It's like,
I understand, man.
hey, I'm going to put my stop at 20 points, give it a little room. Yeah, we're just going to come down here and pretty much take you out, and then we'll go.
That's been me literally the entire last month.
Oh, this is so
Like,
good.
that is exactly
It's
how
true.
I felt the whole month.
It's true. That's why I finally made the switch. I can't for now. No, but it's true.
And
I'm kind of now seeing
this
what
is what
Goose-
this is what happened yesterday, all day long. And what the mistake that I made was like, oh, now it's going in my favor. I'm gonna punch it again. And then what does it do? 40 points against me immediately. It's like, all right. Like I like longs on holds above 560 here.
Yeah. I like that we tapped the prior high at 21,498 and we've held it. I think that was probably the best long location. Until we get back above the open, it is difficult to find a good long location just because intraday, like RTH intraday, we're trading lower. And I'm also, I mean, MNQ at least, I'm seeing a ton of absorption. Delta's at 4,500 right now and we're below the open, which tells me that there's some sellers that are taking all this.
There are. I tell you what, though, Palm, if it gets up near IBH where it's set currently, now I'd like it to mess around here until 10:30. Then I like front running that because overnight lows is about 20 points above that, 30 points above that, or overnight highs is 20 to 30 points above IBH if it sets where it's at right now.
Yeah,
that'll be a nice, healthy run.
I like it.
It'll have some juice for it. I got to tell you, I mean, it's only one day, but after yesterday, I can see why Goose likes
the YM.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're all slowly going to convert, aren't we?
I don't know. It's you don't get the big swings, but you also don't get what just happened to West, which happens to me all the time because I'm aggressive on moving my break-even stop.
Yeah. So. I mean, I'm personally, I'm not looking for the big swings. I want something that is, you know, maybe I will trade YM. I want something that is just consistent.
Yeah,
also,
it's slow moving. But you'll get
down $80 in the session.
But you will get wicks. I mean, I watched the YM yesterday kind of do a lot of wick stuff. But if you're in sync with it and you grab the, you know, and you say, I'm not going to try to follow a trend, especially if it's consolidating, I'm just going to get where it sets and it starts to retreat back up, say, if you were looking for that.
I mean, I've seen Nima's been crushing
nice.
YM.
Yeah.
So it's definitely something.
It's chill. It's definitely chill.
Right. We're back in the zone for like the 8th time.
Yeah.
I like 537. That's point of control. If we hold that, I think a long is all right.
Excuse me. Ooh, come on now.
Nice little hammer on the 5 minute there.
Yep.
Right at 540.
I almost touch it, but I'm going to stay hands off. I almost went long there.
I know. I'm thinking about it, but
I'm hands off. I think it was going to. I think long's a good play.
Gentlemen, don't do it. I'm long for 540.
Sorry, I'm going to settle my hands in, but I think long's.
No,
a play,
I mean
right?
trade how you want. I'm just saying I'm long for 540. So odds are we puke to 0.
Puke to 0, all the way to 0, huh?
Yeah,
Oh
0
gosh.
immediately incoming. All right, that was the POC bounce I wanted, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean it was a beautiful play. Oh, come on, you.
My first target would be 567, just the other side of my zone, and then the larger target is all the way back to the open. All right, stop that. That's awesome. Yeah, I mean, I don't.
See, just.
I'm starting to like the YM more and more. Like it's exactly what you're saying though. It's like you just don't. What Dave was saying, you don't get those wild swings, right? But you also don't get these like insane, just swings of I mean, exactly that. Like, it's more consistent. I don't really know how else to say it. And
It is. I mean, you're going to get.
I think that's the best thing to look for.
You're going to get wicks, but if you look at the price action and take the wicks out, it's pretty solid and consistent. Now you just have to account for that. But at $5 a point, okay.
Was that another bottom tick stop? That's
I
like the
seriously
third
do.
one this week.
Is, jeez.
That's awesome. Oh, sorry, I just moved my camera. It's my bad. My camera's like on the edge of my screen, right where my bar selection thing is, so I can see my.
Oh,
Yeah,
this is
it wasn't bottom tick. It was
Oh
by
my
7
goodness.
points. That's awesome. So if I tightened my stop there, if I'd kept my original stop at 20, it wouldn't have hit, and then it would have just gone to target.
Oh, this zone, dude. This
That's
zone is brutal.
Gentlemen,
That's
it
on
might
the-
be time to load up the YM.
Let me
That's
see
on
what the
the,
YM's doing.
I'm
That's on the
about
breakout?
to make my YM charts. We're all gonna migrate.
The YM? Now, it's see big wicks on the YM, but it's a steady climb up. On the 15-minute, what is the 5-minute show?
I don't even know how to position
I mean,
size of the YM.
it's not as volatile.
Right. But you get the
Good.
wicks. You got to be careful with that.
Let's see what the hourly's showing. Jeez, I have not touched the YM in a while.
Might be time.
Um,
Wow, this looks disgusting.
I don't know. I mean, I see wicks there, but I'm sure the swings aren't as volatile where it'll just pop you out. But you got to be on the right side.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking to avoid. That is my biggest thing on the NQ is that I'll be in great trades and then just get swept out by like a point. I mean, you guys saw that last week, like multiple times.
I feel like the
Yeah,
YM will
Savvy.
give you some warning. Is what I feel
Savvy,
like.
I'm not trading the NQ because it's fun. I hate the NQ. I think it's a piece of garbage.
See, the problem is I have a feeling when it does push back above 560 here, it's going to be rapid to the upside.
But not rip.
Yeah.
Well, you just got to hit the buy button then.
Yeah, but
Big brain. Which
I
thought
have been hitting the buy button.
Wow.
I have been hitting the buy button.
Yeah, it is abusive.
I feel like the YM telegraphs a little bit better. And maybe that's from what Albu was saying, where it's a little, where the NQ just does fake out after fake out.
Goose is probably watching this like these idiots. I told them months ago.
Goose doesn't. Goose gets in his own little world when he's trading.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if he watches this recap, he's going to say, yeah, those idiots.
Oh, 100%.
They called worse, so there you go. Hey, look at that. Boy, that overnight high, or yesterday's high is just, oof. Rejection City.
I think we run. I just don't know when. I'm gonna give this one a stop to just below 540.
Oh, wait, this one goes.
And I'll just take the stop out if it hits.
Sounding like me. Go into every trade expecting the stop.
Expecting it, yep. Just gets nasty. Nasty boys.
I gotta redraw these levels now. That's unfortunate.
Actually, I can't take that big of a stop.
Yeah, this is ridiculous right here. Don't. I'm trying to decide if on the 15-minute it wants to barcode. If it wants to barcode, it's going to go down again. I don't know.
Come on. Go, go, go. Oh, gosh.
It's brutal right here, man.
Yeah, 560 is being a pain.
You can clear it. I agree with you. It's a moonshot.
Oh my goodness.
This is brutal, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty rough. Pretty rough.
Times is tough.
This is brutal.
Ooh, the ES profile looks like a nice range. I'm not gonna lie. That is like a picture perfect range.
Hmm.
Man, 560, dude, is just
Wow.
rough.
Crazy train. Evan says the 10 minutes holding on super train. 10 minutes.
I don't see any crazy blocks on the ES other than like the 10 that, or the ones that sit 5 points away from price. Other than that, I don't really see much on it.
My goodness.
This is no-go zone. No-go zone, brother.
I know, and I'm in a trade.
Oh.
There is absolutely nothing I can do.
And quiet.
Yeah.
Very quiet.
Oh no, sorry, I meant. Or did you hear me say quiet?
Yeah.
No. I was talking to myself. I've just pulled up the like big trade study on ES, and the tape has been fairly quiet for how much movement there's been. There's not that much activity, at least what I'd expect from like big participants. That's what I meant by that. Not like to be quiet. I didn't realize. Oh, so that's good. The mic will pick that up. Maybe my adjustments helped.
Oh, your adjustments definitely helped. Your audio is great today.
Nice.
You're not going to want to hear this, Wes, but this is in between two 15-minute fair value gaps, one positive, one negative. It's no go, man.
ICT has spoken.
Yeah. The silver bullet move already happened.
My
What
dom
about
just
the
went
Judas
out.
swing?
Judas swing. It's even better. Oh, how could I forget that one? That was
I am
good.
stuck in this position because I don't have a reason to get out either, other than where my stop is. There's
Tell you what.
560.
If it goes, it's going to be like so fast you can't even get in.
I know, that's why I'm in.
So crazy.
But every time it ticks one more tick higher is like an immediate 20-point smack.
So crazy.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. There it goes. There it goes.
Brutal.
Oh, my dom went out.
Man, no man's land right here. Ugh.
Yeah, I'm going to get stopped again.
Alright, I just threw up some like basic ES levels.
Yep. Here we go. Chop.
Up City.
Yep. Stopped out again. Unbelievable, dude. I'm done trading for the day. I'm not going to do this on a Friday.
Was this the Evo?
A couple of the trades were on eval. This one was on my live account.
Gotcha.
I'm short from 51.
I got to. Sorry, guys. I have to reconnect my platform because my DOM surface feels like being crazy right now.
I'm out. Another 20-pointer.
No, ES is puking.
Probably could have held on to that for a little longer because my original profit was down at 504.
We have 9 people watching right now.
Go.
Let's go.
Yo,
Come on.
losing money with the boys.
There we go.
Yeah.
We got a baseball team.
Yeah. Yeah, my channel's numbers have been declining.
It's hard. I mean, you got to stay in it for a long time. I bet
Like
you Matt had low numbers in the beginning.
Oh, I'm sure. I mean, we're a
Everyone
trading
does.
community. Trading's not exactly the most entertaining thing that you could do on the internet.
Everyone
Right.
starts from zero.
Yeah, but we were
Look
we
what-
were trending in the right direction originally, and then it's just been
Wonder what
not.
the deal was.
All right, I've got my ES levels up now.
Oh,
Just
I should've
remade my
stayed in.
chart book for the 54th time. See what's going on.
That would have. Oh, that was such a good short. Well, you know what? I'm not going to complain. In this
Well,
movement, 20 points at a time is pretty damn good.
I know I'm saying what everyone has ever said in the history of anyone who's ever traded ES or NQ. ES looks a lot cleaner for sure.
ES is more volume. It's going to be traded a little bit more smoothly.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
that's
mean,
such a
it
good
just
short.
yeah, it just looks a lot cleaner. These trades look more doable, especially this one. This last rotation we just had from 30 down to where we are now at 22. Really nice sweep above and fail. I like that a lot.
Dave, did you try to take the IBL play?
No. I took a short, and I got 20 points. Because the way this thing's whipping around, I decided to take 20 points. But I got in at 551 on the short, and my original TP was down at 50. What did I have it at? 505, 506. But I just ended up just taking the 20. Oof.
Wes, if
I
it
had
makes you
to-
feel better, I'm down a rack right now.
A rack?
One rack.
Eva?
No PAs.
Oof.
Oof.
I mean, I'm up on the day.
Oh. All right, well, disregard what I said.
but like, yeah, what am I up on the day? I'm up, let's see, 475 plus 475
ES
minus
dotted
40.
useless.
So I'm up $400 on the session.
Up 1674. I was up right around 1500. Took a couple of little paper cuts, and then this last one put me to 1674.
Martin, the ES is moving though. Like, well, moving. They're both moving, but at least for the zones that I marked out, the ES respected it a lot better than the NQ is. That being said, I called like 3 winning. This is literally my day every single day. As I sit down, I see a trade. I say, "Oh, this looks like a good trade," but I'm going to be patient and not take it. That trade works. Immediate profit, no drawdown. Next trade I take, "Oh, this looks okay." The one that I take, immediate loss, immediate stop. Sorry for the rant.
That was a good rant.
Yeah.
That was a very good rant.
It's just like that's just been the last month. Is I'll sit down, I'll be patient, I'll see some trades that like I get a feel for the market. Those all work out. The trade that I take is just immediately wrong.
See, like I like
Never
this
sees
long.
the light of day.
I like this long again.
I do, but not yet. All depends on what you're looking for. Are you looking for 10 points or are you looking for a run? Aha.
Well, I was just seeing this hammer off of VWAP here is what I'm looking at on the 2-minute.
Here's the thing. The minute I start adding size to try to yellow this thing on the single day,
It's gone
It's
in
gonna
2
go
seconds.
gone. Like I'll just keep trading the way I'm trading.
I mean, what do we wait for the pullback into 400? You know?
See, that's why I don't like it yet. It's give this 15-minute a chance to close down here. If it closes right around here, even a little lower, then I might, because it's barcoding. Look at the 15-minute, straight up, beautiful barcode.
I'm gonna wait for
I
IB
say
to
that.
get set.
Now I say that, this thing.
Yeah, I took a
dumps.
long on ES just based on the idea that we're ranging here, but I'm just getting torched. So we have a really nice range set up on the profile.
Yeah, Martin's right.
What did Martin say in all his wisdom?
Options expiry.
Oh yeah, OPEX. Yeah, the Dom on the ES, I'm not gonna lie, I don't love. Doesn't seem that useful.
Other
Wes,
than
as far as the
locating
brother.
large orders.
Yeah, but I'm looking at it, and the only thing I see is just the 2 orders that like sit that trail price 5 points. The only thing, like the only big orders are those. Everything else is flat. I don't know. Maybe I'm looking at it the wrong way. Sellers are trying on the ES.
trying.
It's
They're trying
actually
on the NQ.
probably a better long location right here.
What it should.
But this is the area I'd expect us to bounce if we are bouncing.
Yeah, I just don't know. This is a VWAP trade.
Don't have VWAP on this wealth chart. Is it bouncing off of it?
I mean, it's chopping it right now. It's at 490. 487.
I don't want to jinx it, but so far no minor error message. That's big.
Love it.
It's actually huge. That was so tilting because that was such a good trade too. It's the best trade of the day. All right, my first target on ES got hit. Let's go, boys.
All right, I'm gonna try the long.
And I've got my second target looking at 28.75.
Dude, I like what you're doing there, Wes. I mean, depending on where you got in, I think this is 0 drawdown right now.
506.
Nice. Oh,
ES might
Go.
be a 3 contract kind of thing. A point away from getting filled. Do it.
Just keep pushing. Keep pushing.
3 seconds left.
Alright, I just closed out that ES trade. We're stalling at the open a little bit too much for me to want to mess around with that. Alright, I made some of that back. That was like a
Nice.
$60 trade. I don't know. ES, the MES at least definitely seems like I could trade 3 contracts on it.
Nice. That's nice.
I like having the multiple scale outs.
Yes, come on, baby.
Oh, traded the full cup target. That's nice. I think that was a solid trade. I'm a fan of that. Would have been nice to have a third contract to go target like overnight highs or IBH though, because that's probably what we go take out here. Yeah, Ben, there was one giant one for like 960 or something that threw off my entire profile.
All
I
right,
guess there was
stopped
another
out.
one. It's not glitched though. You're seeing it correctly. There's just crazy size coming in.
$500 trade there.
Nice job.
Oh, you took it? You got profit on it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I was long.
Go
I heard
West.
stopped out and assumed the worst.
I was long for 506. Got stopped out at like 33, 34, somewhere in there.
Smelling what you're selling, brother.
That's a new one.
That is a new one.
I heard that one before.
I'll be right back, guys.
Yeah, it's crazy, Ben. It's annoying more than anything because it throws off my whole profile. So I just have this one giant level that has like 4,000 delta, and then everything else is a quote unquote normal size of like 300 to 400. Oh boy.
Cool area right here, man. I mean, Wes caught the right way to do it. Catch it on if you're gonna do it. If it's gonna be a range day. almost like a megaphone pattern. Catch that after it just set like a new low if you want to go long.
I'm just glad he got a winning trade. I was getting worried that we're gonna end the stream right here.
So was I. Well, we almost did.
Had me nervous.
We
I was just
almost
gonna
did.
get up, punch the monitor, and walk away.
Right.
I'm kidding, Wes. In case you watch this back, or in case Mason sends this to you, I'm kidding.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm not. It was real for me.
No offset. Actually, what's the offset on that 5?
Yeah, so I was saying, I think Wes is really showing some good patience, good intuition on his trades, and really making it happen.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I mean, I was just talking about how Wes lent me his Ferrari the other day when I was going on a date, and then he donated to my charity. I mean, what a great guy.
Yeah, I mean, for me it was the Lambo, but that did it for me. But either way.
Yeah, it's just so generous of him to let us have access to his garage every once in a while.
All right, I'll try it again at 560 if it gets above and holds. I'm gonna wait for a break and retest though this time. I'm not gonna.
So theoretically, I should take a short on the ES here. Hypothetically.
I don't know.
There's
I like the
ton of
ES
volume
all the way
coming
up
in.
into 6,050.
That's my worry, is we've already tapped the lower areas, the lower prices enough times that, and then we had an absorption attempt at the lows.
Yeah, Kev, that's
That
right.
I'm
Yeah,
very
guys,
suspect
Nims has the
for.
Ferrari. I
My
don't
bad.
have a Ferrari.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, it's just a
drive-
10,000 acre mansion.
I drive a Jeep,
Oh, what kind of Jeep?
a Grand Cherokee.
Nice. I like Jeeps.
It's a nice ride.
Yeah, big fan. Oh, Grand Cherokee too, so you have space. That's nice.
Yeah, I had a Wrangler in high school, but
Hey, Jeep guy.
they aren't exactly like they're toys. They're not really like
Mhm.
they're not good on highways. Let's put it that way. You get blown all over the freeway.
Yeah.
Really?
They're a little
I didn't know.
high center.
Yeah, they're awful in any kind of wind.
They set up a little high centery.
They're
So-
fun. They're fun.
So this was a thing when I was growing up in the Midwest, in the town I grew up in. So it wasn't a big town. It was 40,000 people. But there's nothing around it but farmland type stuff. But so we literally did have a main street that you drove Friday and Saturday nights just up and down, turned around at the Sonic, and down, turned around at the McDonald's, and went back. And my buddy had a Jeep, and we used to jump
Good old days.
from the Jeep to the pickups and
The
stuff.
old days.
Over the old days. I mean, I swear to God, it was a thing every Friday and Saturday night.
You just drive up and down the street.
Up and down the street, man. Up and down.
Why?
There we go. Something.
I'm
something
not gonna
brother.
do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna hit the long.
I mean, it was
It's short.
It was classic. It was absolutely classic. Cliche, whatever you want to call it.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it.
It's tempting you.
Not gonna happen.
There's so much buying coming in at the highs on the ES. I really want to short this, but I'm forcing myself not to.
It's still major barcoding right now, Wes. I don't know if this is the breakout candle on the 15-minute.
Man, UNH is just. It's fine. It's up 1.5% today. A little volatile stock right now.
The United Health.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they came out swinging against Big Pharma yesterday with their statements about what's causing high costs.
Did they have
I mean, everybody-
earnings?
I don't know. That's a good choice not doing that right there.
Yes, I know. I've already fell victim to it twice.
Don't
But
worry,
that-
boys. We can make it all back.
That is the decision level.
Off stream. So my car in high school was a 75 Cutlass Supreme two-door with a 350 4-barrel old 350 Olds engine in it, 4-barrel. Oh my god.
Nice.
That thing could go. Loved that car. And yes, it came with an 8-track. Actually, I take that back. I put an 8-track in it. I take that back. I put an 8-track in it when I put the speakers in. Because you used to have to do that, right? If you wanted to really put a good system in, you had to buy the thing with speakers and had triaxle speakers I put in the back. I had to cut a, oh my gosh. It was so ridiculous back then. It was awesome, but it was ridiculous.
I see Palm is
had an
all
8-track.
neck and head right now.
Yeah, I have to sit really close to my desk because my mic is on. Like that's how I'm fixing the whole mic problem with it picking me up is just by sitting really close to the mic. I could sit further away, but my sound quality might go down. Like when I'm this far away, how can you hear me still or no?
Yeah.
Is it quiet?
No. I don't
You
think so.
guys never had the joy of lugging around a big case of 8-track tapes.
No.
I don't even know what that is.
You don't know what an
And-
8-track is?
Because
No.
you slam it in and out. After
Yeah.
you wear it out a little bit, you'd have to like put a quarter or something underneath of it so it would play. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Tracks were
it's
awesome.
like a similar concept to like having the original Nintendo. where you'd have
Really-
to blow it out when things got dusty and slam it back in there.
Oh my god. 8-track tapes are beautiful.
I see.
I think the first one I ever got was an Eagles, maybe. But then I had a pretty fine Elvis collection.
Oh, ES is doing it. Trying to run it.
I know, it's going to. Just like NQ's going to.
It's feeling it.
Yeah,
right?
we've tapped this level so many times. That's why I didn't want to short it. Like, yeah, we were stalling out. Yeah, I was seeing large buying coming into it, but how many times are we going to rotate the same area?
Oh gosh.
This is so
I
tempting.
want
but
the
I'm not
long.
touching
I know, dude. It's just like this level has wrecked me all day, and this will be the one time where it actually goes.
I'm gonna give it's we got 10 seconds left on this 5 minutes, so let's let this one.
Been a very sad
Close.
week, lads. I'm looking. I put up a calendar in my room to. I
Yeah.
use TradesViz to like track all my trades, but I also put up a calendar and I've started writing in my P&Ls on the calendar so I have like a visual of the month.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Last Friday, negative 1,200. Monday, no trades was scratch. That's when I was doing evals. Tuesday, negative 1,145. Wednesday, scratch because I traded sim. Thursday, negative 348.50. And then today we are down 747.
Oof.
So I'm going to move to Detroit and sell bricks. is my take. And then hope the Lions draft me.
Oh, Dave, I made the mistake.
You know what? I did too.
I got
Tight
baited.
stop. I'm okay. I'm in too. I'm in long.
You guys are both long.
Yeah.
I got in probably a little late at 68, and I'm in.
I'm at 64.75. I'm going break
Alright.
even though. I'm not dealing with this nonsense.
You know, I'm gonna give it a little bit of room to breathe. I've got some room to do that.
I am not giving it a little room to breathe.
Well, I'm up pretty good on the day, and I just want to see what this will do.
All right, I'm stopped out.
Took me out. Took me out. How it's gonna go? I'm on you right now, brother. I feel it in my bones.
Yeah, I like the. I didn't wait for the break and retest, so I'll wait for a little more extension and then the pullback.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
The ES levels have been leveling, I gotta say.
Levels generally level.
And before, oh, I should have been trading this the whole time.
It's just
yeah, no duh.
ridiculous. This will paper cut you to death right here.
really nice reclaim of, I don't even know where this level's from actually.
Ooh,
Oh.
good stop.
Yep.
Good stop.
Yeah, still looks okay for the logs.
I know. I'm almost. That would be the retest.
We just ran and swept below IBH, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of selling pressure up here or large buyers stepping in.
Well, if it was going to break, it needed to really do it there. From a timing standpoint, it might do it on this next one, but needed to do it on that.
I'm gonna try it again.
Probably right, but
Give this to below
I love it.
550.
No, if I love it.
Yeah, I don't know if I love it either. They're really trying to defend this 560 area.
Don't love it. Needed to, if it was going to go, it was going to be in that last 5 minute. Oh, that 15-minute bullish candle. That was the one to strike out. Now I think we barcode a little bit more again. I think.
Yeah, sellers are starting to come in. They didn't push high enough.
Context wise, I don't hate sideways. I mean, we ripped like a bajillion points pre-market, so it makes sense to consolidate a bit.
I know.
I mean, structure tells you uppies. Really does right
Yeah.
now.
Like
It's
ES
just like you
swept
said,
IBH and came back inside of it, but overnight highs is 3 points above it. It just seems like such a good target, which is what's keeping me out of getting short right here on the reclaim of IBH. But I think
Jeez.
I might just be missing it.
They are really defending that 560. Stop
Crazy,
out.
isn't it? Oh, you tried another one?
Yeah, I'm done though. I'm done trading for the day. Like, I'm not gonna mess around with this anymore. I'm gonna finish the session up. I'm not gonna sit here and get chopped up. I did it yesterday.
Mentally prepare yourself
Not
for the
gonna do
next
it.
game.
Can't do it, man. You know. Yeah, can't do it.
I think if Goff remembers how to throw to his teammates and not the other team, we'll be all set. Because that throw from the end zone, you know, remember what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Where he just bombed it downfield right into the hands of whoever that was. Like, that one was insane.
Yeah, I mean, all the analysts are saying that was going to be the upset of the weekend.
The Lions game?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I guess it'd be an upset. I don't know. We'll see.
Everybody
I think the
seems...
Chiefs are like, the Chiefs are barely hanging on, man.
Oh, dude, life support, if you ask me, the way it's
They've
the
had
defense.
Yeah, they've gotten really lucky the last few games.
all
Defense has
season.
been
What are you
stable.
talking about? Not the last few. All season long.
Yeah.
Those guys.
Listen,
Nah,
Dave's
true.
wearing a Chiefs sweatshirt. I'm trying to be respectful.
I know, spoken like a hater there. Gee, Merry Christmas. I think they've gotten fair, very fair refereeing calls all year.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, yeah.
There's no
okay.
bias. There's no
Okay.
bias whatsoever. By the way, I'm
Okay.
short. But a break even stop. And it's going to take me out.
I don't know. That looked a little Mahomey.
It's going to take me out. Yeah, it takes me out. Well, let's break even though. Because I am not willing to let this swing. I think we barcode one more time. On the 15-minute.
I still really like the longs on ES.
Ooh, close.
Should just target this range. Just long 540, short 560, and target the
go,
other
right?
side, back and forth.
That's what you do on a range day, right?
20-point range.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah. This is crazy.
Like, look at
Consolidated
that.
range.
Tap 560, come back down. Tap 540, go back up. I want to say we go higher before we go lower, considering we weren't really able to push anything below VWAP.
Alba's favorite level.
Yeah. I think he
I mean, it bounced perfectly.
He secretly has it on his charts.
He's just trying to mislead us.
Yes, absolutely.
ES is such a coin flip here.
Everything is.
Like, I really, on the tape, delta-wise on the tape, it looks like we want to go trade the overnight highs, but context-wise, the profiles are telling me it's a perfect range. So I'm just conflicted.
I almost want to test the theory and put a short at 560.
You got an eval left?
Yeah, I'm on eval.
Okay, good.
Right now.
Whoa,
Oh.
Large buyer. Hello. 240 lot just went on the ES. Didn't move the market though.
Oh my goodness. I don't even know what to let's see if it's
That's
short.
so good. I like longs now, but it's me.
Instant 40-point smack on NQ. No, I like longs. It's
I like
holding up.
longs. I'm just wanting to wait for this 5 minute to close.
All right, we are on eval here, so
Start firing away.
Let's give it one more shot.
So are you taking the range high short?
Nope, I'm long.
I'm about ready to. I'm just letting this candle close and this one open.
Here we go.
Yep, I'm in. I'm in too.
Ye old breakout trade out. ES finally took overnight highs. All right, now I'm interested in a short from
Oh,
on
you
ES.
dog.
Yep.
What a dog.
Range
still
high
think it goes.
long. Yeah, my bad.
Still goes up.
How could I have mixed that one up?
Look at this. Disgusting. Range high.
The old,
Alba-
the old
Alba
breakout
came in.
strat.
Well, I can hear you. That's pretty funny. Oh, that was disgusting. I thought we had her there for a second. Still do. Still do.
Oh,
If I
we're
get
chilling
the
at this
fill
point.
short on ES at 35 half, I will take the short, but I have not gotten filled yet. All right, I'm filled short on the ES.
Might be in this trade a while, Dave.
Yep.
Might be in it a while.
This kind of has that feeling. I don't know.
ES
I'm
still
looking-
ticking up. Trying it.
I'm not unhappy with it, but the way NQ does, it doesn't matter. They're happy or not.
Bad Q just makes me sad.
Yeah, it's just it's not accelerating away from 560 like I'd like to see.
Yeah, I thought we'd get a little bit there.
Yeah, I want to see this waterfall. Sorry, Wes.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nope, don't like it.
I like my entry too. It's gonna be very unfortunate if this trade doesn't work because I like this a lot. Had a ton of buying pressure. I know the context is very much up, which makes this a little sketchy. We had a ton of buying pressure, ton of expansion on the overnight. Makes sense to range RTH a bit. Profiles look great to me for a range environment. I have sellers at the lows that got stuffed. I have buyers at the highs that got stuffed. Tested right outside of my zone, swept to the overnight highs, couldn't reclaim anything above. I like the short.
I just have a feeling this might be one of those Fridays where shorts get eaten.
Mm-hmm.
That has been the trend so far, yeah. That being said, my long attempts didn't really go much better.
I mean, yeah.
VIX is still down.
I suck.
Oh, come on. Stop that, Paul. Stop it.
Yeah, you're a good trader. I mean, you read things
are,
well.
man.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, you do.
ES Delta finally went positive with that last push. This is looking like a stop out, ladies and gentlemen.
Ah, the NQ will save you. It'll give one of those random
we're above the overnight
sell-offs.
highs. ES is above the overnight high now, so a little sketchy. I think where like my last target should really be, probably right here.
Dave, this just will not push for us. At least not yet.
Nope.
Are you in a trade?
No, just sitting watching right now. I've got my finger on the trigger, but nope.
No siree, Bob.
I mean, I'm in a trade. Don't exactly not like the doji print on the 5-minute on NQ there either.
Well, don't even worry, we're going up. Guaranteed.
Wow, I might be in this till 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Thought you said you were done trading.
Yeah, we know how that goes over the last couple days. Problem is it's starting to feel like grind higher until it doesn't in the snap of a finger.
Bro, what is going on in this chat today? Gary's on a heater.
Over on Good Gains?
Yeah, it's just opening. It's some crazy stuff out of Gary.
I haven't really looked at that Discord in a while.
He's talking about his grandmother with dementia. What the hell is going on? Oh my god, we're just testing my entry now. Whoa, Goose traded the Russell? What the hell? Not a bad move.
Well, this is just
Yeah.
This is going to shake you out before it makes its big move.
Yeah, I don't even know what to think here. Like, I want to say higher. Like 560's holding up.
I don't know,
But
brother.
it's not getting away from 560 too much, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, ES has not moved. We're just consolidating the overnight highs, which is extremely sus for my short. If we were going to reject it, we would have rejected it by now. So every minute that this holds above the overnight highs is a minute that takes a percentage off my life.
I mean, structure, I like it to go, and it's going to be one of those random just moonshots.
Yeah, I mean, it's just ticking higher and higher. It just needs to... I mean, are you still in your trade, Palm?
Yeah, still short. My stop is 38.5. The closest we've gotten is right now at 37. It's going to run it right now, though. It's just ticking highs. Stopped out. Yeah, saw it coming.
I'm in at 73. Let's see what it does. Break even stop.
I want to say if I'd been trading ES the whole day, I would have done better, but I don't know. Can't really
tough,
say that
man.
with certainty. The only good trade I had really was like that absorption long at the lows on ES from 18, because I'd still be in it up 20 points if I held a third contract.
Tricky spot here. If this thing can close above 586, I like it.
Another day, another L.
Trying to do my old school method where I enter at one extreme, stop below the other extreme, and just let it ride.
Well, I'm long right now, and from 73, I got in later than you did, but I am break even stop. So let's see what happens. And my TP is going to be IBH.
I'm halfway to
Honestly,
target now,
that
so
is the
now
move.
I'm break
On
even.
the FOMO long.
Give myself 3 points just to.
Got an interesting high on ES at 45.5. We trade into it.
Entry was late, so it might come down to me, but I hope not. I like that it's 15-minute closed where it did. Just top of the hour candle is a little sus.
Facts. Big facts. What's a negative order block?
What's a knob?
A knob. Well, I know what they used to be.
What did they used to be?
Knob.
Yeah.
It was a derogatory term towards a person.
Okay.
They're an idiot, basically.
I see.
Derogatory. I don't think it was that derogatory, but
Time to think like knob.
I think like a knob.
I hear a lot of older gentlemen use the term Nimrod a lot.
Nimrod. Yeah. Nimrod. Yeah.
Dude, yesterday at work, you know how like old time Americans, I'm talking like 1930s and before, you know how they all had that accent of like, I guess it was just like an American accent. They talk like, I went down to the ferry and you know, they talk like that. I had this dude call the office yesterday and he sounded exactly like that. And then his wife got on the phone and she had the thickest Long Island accent you could imagine. So it went from, I moved down to Florida, but I needed to re-register this car, to, I can't even do the accent, like Long Island accent.
Oh, you did a really good one earlier. That was really good. That was like the Bowery Boys, if you know what that is.
The Bowery Boys?
Look it up.
No,
That
Wes
was
doesn't even know
exactly
what
what
that
that
is.
was. Oh my god! You know what? I'm gonna. At least I can bring some historical perspective.
Hmm. Unload on us. Give us the whole rundown. History of America, start to finish.
Unload on us. I love it.
Okay, I'm not liking the fact that we are not pushing here.
Yeah, I thought we'd get a push on that one.
Yeah, ES is just sitting in between zones. I still don't see any reason that ES will sell off yet, so that helps your long at all. I'm sitting at a cool negative 150 per account. Exciting stuff.
Very excited.
Oh, come on,
He's
NQ.
Bounce me out and then just run.
ES back at overnight highs, back testing it now.
Oh my
Bounce
gosh.
me out, break even. Oh, that was brutal. That was up about 20, 25 points. I honestly still like uppies, but
I'm still in. Wow, that was a well-placed stop, huh? Well, for now, it's a well-placed stop.
I would love to see a large seller try to trade through the overnight highs on ES and fail. That'd be such a nice entry.
Oh, come on, dude. Stupid ink.
ridiculous. Ridiculous.
I agree.
Just gonna let it take my stop
Leave
if
it.
it wants it.
Leave it. Abandon it.
Oh, it's so ridiculous.
ES is really just bouncing that on no volume. That's annoying.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like is the fact that London Close is coming up here in about 25 minutes.
That bounced, but if you know opening range guy, that bounced off almost to the tick of the opening range.
Of the 30-second or like the 5-minute?
30-second.
Oh wow. Did you track the 30-second opening range?
I do.
I didn't know that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I started doing it. I think it was Goose that kind of turned me onto it. I think he posted some articles, and so I just keep track of it now just to see what it. I don't follow it yet, but I am observing what it does.
Nice.
Oh, come on, NQ. Get some follow through. Give me a big one. Give me a big one on a stream.
You should.
Long off the lows on ES would have been up like 20 points.
Bach, put that in the edit. I want to see it. I want to hear him see that in the edit.
He's I'm sure he's studying.
It's studying, yeah. A pint with the boys.
Or what do they call it over there? Revising.
Going out with for a pint with the boys before my terms, innit? Can't expect me to study on an empty stomach. What do they call their exams? A series or something? A levels?
I don't remember what they call them.
Remember that one time Mason went on stream and just got bullied?
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, nice
buyers are
recovery,
trying.
NQ.
come on, AQ. Your thing.
Tell you what, my stop is well placed.
I'm gonna have to head out in like 10 minutes, boys. Just a heads up.
All right, Paul.
All right.
Unfortunately, I'm locked into the stream now until this trade's over with.
Yep. And I went long again after I got stopped out. I mean, I got stopped out break even, so I went long again. So we'll see. First the minute I say that, it pulls a creamer on me.
Yep. You shouldn't have said anything.
Unbelievable.
No, it should run.
I'm almost tempted to lay another one on, but we'll see. It's got to clear this level. Yeah, you know what? We'll see. Get above 30 opening range. There you go.
No, don't reject 600. Run through
Come
600.
on.
What did Kev say? He said there's a negative order block on the 15-minute.
Yeah, but I don't. Yeah, I mean, don't disagree with him. I can see it there, but it's.
Mommy caught that.
What?
I don't know.
Mommy caught that?
No, there's this guy named Umami, like the flavor profile, like umami.
I was like, wait, what just happened?
And he took the same trade I did on the ES, that long off the lows at like 18, but he traded it correctly and scaled out along the way. So he
Nice.
ended up on a nice bag. You know, I think the answer to this is to double my size.
100%. Always. That's always the answer.
Yep.
Have you? I started watching American Primeval on Netflix. Are you guys watching that at all? It's pretty intense. It's about the West and people.
Is that the one with the Mormon militia against
Yeah.
Indians?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
Interesting.
Still got to get into. I did the first season of Slow Horses. I still got to do 2 and 3. I like that. I like Gary Oldman though.
Dude, this stupid NQ just will not cooperate, dude.
It won't give you the continuation we're looking for. Well, that it should.
Unbelievable.
It's gonna stop me out, break even. After
Yeah,
being up,
me too. After being up 40 points on this trade.
Yeah. That was disappointing.
Actually stupid.
Actually stupid.
It's so dumb. It's so dumb what it does sometimes.
Oh my gosh. What's my solid steady friend YM doing? Just solid steady up.
What's my solid steady friend YM doing?
Steady Eddie. I tell you, I still like ups on the NQ. I really, really do.
Yeah, I just would like it to be a little more aggressive.
Yeah.
I know Palm's got to leave here soon.
Yeah, like 5 minutes.
Which is going to mess up the cameras, so I'll have to do something. Although I guess it really doesn't matter. I guess the stream doesn't need to see this trade.
I think we've seen this movie about 1,000 times just in this.
Yeah.
ES is still grinding. I think it wants that high at 45.5. I just don't really have a way to get in unless I buy the highs.
What's disappointing about this is it takes me out break even. Then when I get back in, which I've done, I have to get in higher, and I'm now in 10 points up, but it'll come back down and slap me out. I'm not going to break even on that.
Welcome to my entire day yesterday. My entire day.
And I really want to slap another mini on this thing and YOLO it, but I can't. Not right now. It's just not the right space. It's not the right timing. We might have to wait till the noon hour comes.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to be in this trade that long?
I'm serious, man.
Kev says Chris is long from 6,042 and wants 60-60.
I'd like to know how the chat. We got 12. We're up to 12 now. I'd like to know how the chat's doing today, if they're doing anything.
60-42.
How is the chat doing? Up, down? Want to throw things like Wes?
We haven't traded that.
Yeah, how is he long from 60-42? Fletcher,
Fletcher,
you're not
that's-
trading?
Answers.
That's the way to do it. That is a good man.
Where do you
right
see
there.
that? I don't see him posting that anywhere. I don't know.
Oh, did it trade 60-42 or is that just shy?
No. Just shy.
Palm banned you, Fletcher?
Wait, what happened?
Apparently you
I'm
banned
trading,
Fletcher.
cut myself off. Palm banned me. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Listen,
This
man,
is the-
just moneyline bills. I don't know what else to say.
Go
my
to sports
gosh.
betting.
Way to go, Ben. 250 is a huge victory today.
I can't believe I got that close.
Hey.
I'm so close to beating Vegas. I'm so close.
58-42-75. 58-42-75.
Oh, yeah, you got
No.
long on the way up then.
He
During
got
the-
long at the very bottom on that pullback, like one tick away from that little sweep down on. So he's been long for a couple days then.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Wow.
Yeah, that's
60,
wild.
60 is. Yeah, I could see that. It's almost. a
Wait,
buy
and
high.
he's probably multiple. That guy probably is in a
Yeah.
$20,000+ trade.
Yeah, because it's probably
Chris, let me
minimum
hold
2
a
contracts,
100.
maybe.
I'm
Three.
telling you, the guy is just.
Let me hold a couple hundred.
The guy is
Get
just
through
insane.
this opening range low. Get through it. Get through this and it pops,
Yeah, Kev
man.
just sent me the screenshot. He's up $18,600 on his trade, on his ES trade.
Wow. Get through
That matches my biggest day ever.
Your biggest day is 18,000.
Wow.
Yeah, it actually happened in good gains. I remember I had
Yeah,
a
dude.
I had like
Insane.
a 15K trade. Matt pulled it over
Yeah.
on stream. He pulled
Yeah,
my
I
trade over
remember
from
that
the
day.
Discord on stream.
Oh,
I remember that day. That thing was beautiful.
What was the context? You just got short, like
Long
Blind
being
opening
buy.
honestly, I was in a hot streak, right? And I
Yeah.
was like, let me try some size.
uh,
I remember after I got in,
Mason
I
edit that
me-
one in too.
I messaged Mason and said, hey, I just did something really stupid. I was 5 minis long off a support zone, and the thing ran like 150 points in my favor.
Damn, son.
Wow.
Could have
That
got
was
more out of it. Yeah, that day I ended up making like a little over 18K.
Nice.
Very nice.
Biggest day ever.
I remember that day. That was pretty cool.
So, what's it like having a green day? Is it fun?
Legend has it. Legend has that it is.
Yeah, I'm still waiting.
Gosh, this opening range low here is just a ceiling right now, like 600 was. 560 was, I mean. Wow. Stop it.
Yeah, I don't
dude.
know what
Stop
to do.
it.
I don't know if I should just lock it in. I feel like we
I
go
would-
higher, but
I do too.
I definitely don't want this thing coming all the way back on me.
I have ES coming into my next zone from like 42 to 45 half. 45 half is the real like what's the word I'm looking for? Validation point, I guess, of like I don't think we trade past that without some sort of pullback.
42
I'd
half.
be very surprised if we just rip through it. So we're like 4 points off of that. So you have a little bit of room to let it run, I guess. If you want to like correlate it with ES at all.
It might come down and sweep me out first,
It's
though,
being-
judging by
yeah, it's-
where these lows are of this range.
Being a little jerky.
I would like the short on ES from like 42 half. If I can see a large buyer step in, not get paid, I would take that.
Yeah, this thing's gonna come back and sweep me out, I think.
But I don't see anything so far. It's all, I mean, honestly, it's just sketchy to short today too, so maybe it's not a good idea.
It's sketchy to vote. I mean, look at this tight little. This is like slow grind.
I know. I'm gonna be in this trade forever.
Hey, as long as you're positive.
Yeah, the problem is I was up like 600 on the trade, and now I'm only up 4.
Yeah.
But I really don't have a reason to get out yet either. Other than scared it's
not
going to come down and wick me out like it does all the time.
Oh, and it'll be a bottom tick wick out. And then.
Oh, of course.
Moonshot.
Of course. Well, look at this. Look at the stream. You can see where my stop is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Every day I trade NQ, and then I look over at the ES and see, what a delicious looking trade. We opened in my zone too, traded lower, traded whatever this level is that it's like prior overnight high or something, bounced that, had a great buy up from it, bounced it again, clean 5 points, bounced it again, that one was a little sketchier, and then retraded it, and then bounced it again. How much do you guys think a brick sells for?
A brick
I could sell a
of
pallet. I like a brick, like a building brick. I need to know my market, so when I start selling bricks, I know what to sell them for.
Oh, that's so good.
Dave, do you know that joke? Like why I'm saying that?
No, I don't.
Oh, it's because Jake Bates, the current Lions kicker, Mr. Legatron himself,
Yeah.
didn't get drafted, didn't get called up or anything. So his like fallback, instead of being an NFL kicker, was to go be a brick salesman in Detroit.
Yeah.
And then the Lions gave him a call, and now he is Legatron.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's where that joke came from.
How do you even think about, hey, I'm going to become a brick salesman? I literally
Yeah, dude, I have
don't
no.
know.
That's like the last thing I would think to sell.
Wow.
Oh, still in this trade.
Look for support to buy on. So you're saying if I just press the green button, I'll make
So you're saying,
So, I mean,
you're
do you,
saying
do you
there's a
have
chance.
support here? The nearest support that I'm seeing on ES would be, let's see, what is this? 60-32.
I'm not questioning that, Kevin. I just would have never in my life thought I'm gonna go sell bricks.
Right. That's, I mean, just, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, obviously everyone needs them because you build with them.
A brick, I mean,
I mean,
just
it's
a brick
true.
Salesman. Just never.
ES trying to push higher still.
So is NQ. It's do or die.
Well, hopefully it's do and not die.
Yeah.
Nope, of course. Smack 600 again. Come
Of
back down to
course.
80.
That's 600, man. That's that opening range too. The bottom of that opening range. Just is ridiculous.
My long. Only
On
25
Moon.
points ago.
Come on, Moon.
What's the volume looking like right now?
I don't know. ES is a little slower. Not as slow as that overnight high break.
I mean, NQ's
But
slow right
slower.
now, too.
Well, it peeked its head above that. Well, let's see. Let's fill that up now. I jump back in long, but I just keep getting break evens out.
My entire session yesterday was that. This one, I was smart. Enter long on one extreme, put my stop below the other extreme, let it ride. Go back to old reliable.
That's a good idea.
Once it's halfway to target, go to break even. I mean, I'm up 800 on the position right now, so.
That's great. It's a great trade right now.
Yeah, this one's working out. I told you the 560 long was good.
Oh my god.
I really want to see ES run 45 half and see what happens. I also wouldn't be surprised though if it takes like a year to get there.
A year, he says. I mean, I'm like 25 points away from my target, so.
Mom will have gray hair and 3 kids by then.
Mm-hmm.
I think shorts gave up, so.
Yeah, there was a seller up here in the ES that tried to, it was like 300 something lot. Tried to take it lower and failed. And Delta's diverging really nicely, but it's like we're holding this picture perfect channel right now, so I have a hard time trying to short that.
Yeah, I'm looking at the ES hourly right now, and it's nothing but green candles.
Yeah.
Come on,
Yeah,
get-
I mean, I think something sets up here. It's just going to take so long. Like,
Get
I
through-
legitimately don't have the time to sit here. I have to leave in a few minutes. Sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Already overstayed.
Where'd you
I
go
gotta
out?
run
Did you
a
go out
carry.
last night? Did you go out last night?
No,
Paul?
I didn't. I went to,
Oh.
dude, yesterday was, I
What?
mean, this week has been brutal. I know, man. This week has been brutal. So I was like, yesterday I left work, went to the gym, and it was so just like mentally done with everything. I was like, I'm gonna go play a video game and then go to bed.
I'm up 20, almost 25 points. Let's go. Keep going.
Oh, it's
25
been a
points
year.
in.
We hit it. We did it, Joe.
Mm-hmm.
We did it, Joe. Oh my god. So good.
You like that one?
I love that one. That was great. That meme is so good.
Yeah, I have that one saved in my gifts like that. It's
Oh
classic.
yeah. So good. By the way, I think my boys laughed that I even know what a meme is too. Okay, 30 points so far, 33. Do you take it or do you just let it run? You let it run.
I would love to not have to go to work today.
Well, 40 points. Oh, Les, I wish I had too many so I could take one off, but I can't.
That got within like 1 tick of my take profit.
Oh my god.
It's
kill
going to do it
Don't
for
let
you.
I'm out. I'm taking it. I'm done.
Good.
That was a
Amen.
big trade.
Let's go. Big trades only. Wes, when are you going to start your trading floor with the Lambo in the background?
Sheesh. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, DJ, that was a long one right there.
All right, I'm out.
That was a long one right there.
That was a good one.
GG.
Yeah, I mean, I knew all morning long once we got back above 560 it was going to run like that, but man,
Brutal,
that
dude.
was
Brutal.
yeah, that was incredible. All right, guys. Well, we'll call it there for the live stream today. Let Palmetto go to work here. You guys got anything you want to say out of the chat? All 12 of them, or all 10 of them.
I'm looking forward
No,
to my
thanks,
first green day. Whenever
Oh,
it's going to be
should've
nice.
got out. Should have stuck in. Why did I get out?
All right.
No, yeah. Have a great weekend, everybody.
Yep.
Go Bills.
Yeah, we'll be hanging out in the Discord. Well, Dave and I will probably be hanging out in the Discord.
Go Bills.
So on the day that puts me up, holy cow, that puts me up $2,000, guys. So
Let's go.
$2,000 green today.
Nice.
So yeah, chat. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. Peace.
Go Bills.